Welcome to Mackay Titan Travel. Today we're counting down the 30 wonders of India in an 8-minute journey map countdown. 30 wonders, 8 minutes. And, let me tell you, this isn't just a list. This is an insane, non-stop adventure across one of the most incredible countries on Earth. We're talking about places so beautiful, so epic. They will literally change the way you see the world. I've packed this video with everything you need. Mind-blowing quick facts, descriptions so vivid you'll feel like you're right there with me, and essential travel tips so you can actually go see these places for yourself. This is going to be the fastest, most epic tour of India you have ever seen. I've spent a ton of time putting this together, and my only goal is to show you the absolute best of the best. We're going from ancient palaces that look like they're from another planet to natural landscapes that are just jaw-dropping. We're going to cover it all in a crazy fast countdown format, with a map showing our journey every step of the way. I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll have a travel list so long, you won't know where to start. It's going to be a wild ride, and you are not going to want to miss a single second of it. So before we even start this insane countdown, I'm going to ask you to do one simple thing. Smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now. Seriously, do it. Travel, adventure, seeing the most unbelievable places on the planet. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, are you ready? Let's start the clock and jump right into the 30 greatest wonders of India. Let's go. Number 30, the Taj Mahal. This isn't just a building. It's a love story in solid marble. Shah Jahan built this for his wife. The craftsmanship is insane. Go at sunrise. Go at sunrise. At 29, the Varanasi Ghats. This is the spiritual heart of India. You see life and death right on the Ganges River. The morning ceremonies are absolutely electric. Take a boat ride. Coming in at 28, the Kerala backwaters. Imagine living on a floating hotel, cruising through palm tree-lined canals. The food is incredible, and it's the most relaxing thing ever. Number 27, Jaipur's Amber Fort. This place is massive. You walk up these huge ramparts to find palaces made of mirrors inside. The entire city is pink. It's unreal. At 26, the Taj Mahal. It looks like a giant pink honeycomb. It was built so royal women could watch street festivals without being seen. Get your photos from the cafe across, like, seriously. Number 25, Udaipur, the city of lakes. This is literally the most romantic city. You take a boat on Lake Pichola to a palace in the middle of the water. Insane. At 24, the Ajanta and Ellora caves. For over 1,000 years, people carved these temples straight out of a mountain. Buddhist, Hindu, Jain. It's, well, an art history megasite. Number 23, the Konark Sun Temple. It's a giant temple, shaped like a chariot for the sun god, with 24 massive stone wheels. 24 massive wheels, one after another. Look at the carved horses at the entrance. The level of detail will blow your mind. Seriously. Every inch is covered in sculpture. Coming in at 22, the Qutub Minar in Delhi. This tower is almost 1,000 years old and is covered in carvings. It's the tallest brick minaret in the world. At 21, Delhi's Red Fort. This was the headquarters of the Mughal emperors for 200 years. It's made of massive red sandstone walls. And you know, India's independence was declared right here. Number 20 is Mysore Palace. This place is pure royalty. But the craziest part? On Sundays, they light it up with 100,000 light bulbs. It looks like a fairy tale castle, honestly. At 19, the Golden Temple, the holiest shrine in Sikhism, literally covered in gold, surrounded by a sacred pool. They also serve a free meal to 100,000 people, every single day. Number 18, Mumbai's Gateway of India. This massive arch is the city's icon. Right next to it is Marine Drive, the Queen's Necklace, which lights up beautifully at night, you know. At 17, we have the Meenakshi Temple. The entrance towers are covered in thousands colourful, sculpted gods and monsters. It's one of the most vibrant, chaotic, amazing temples ever. Well, really. Number 16. The Khajuraho Temples. These temples are famous for their incredibly detailed and interesting sculptures. The craftsmanship is just on another level. You have to see it to believe it. At 15, we're in the mountains at Shimla. This place feels like a British town people strolling along the pedestrian-only mall road in the Himalayas. You get insane mountain views from the ridge, and can even see a snow-capped peak. Number 14. Leh Ladakh. This is high-altitude desert on a different planet. You drive through epic mountain passes to find Pangong Lake, which changes color from blue to green. At 13, Sikkim. Well, this tiny state has some of the best views of Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world. It's full of monasteries, prayer flags, and insane alpine scenery. Number 12, Kaziranga National Park. This is the best place in the world to see the one-horned rhino. You can take a jeep or an elephant safari to get right up close, At 11, the Sundarbans. The largest mangrove forest on Earth and home to the legendary Royal Bengal tiger. You explore by boat, hoping to spot one hiding in the dense forest. Fingers crossed. We're in the top 10. At number 10, the Rann of Kutch. It's a massive salt desert that glows white under the full moon. During the Rann Utsav festival. It's magical, Number 9, the Andaman Islands. We're talking white sand beaches and water so clear you can see coral reefs from the boat. Radhanagar Beach is consistently voted one of Asia's best. At number 8, Korg. Imagine misty hills covered in endless coffee plants. You can stay right on a plantation, learn how coffee is made and see incredible waterfalls like Abbey Falls, Number 7 is Ooty. Ride a historic toy train up through the mountains. Ride a historic toy train up through the mountains and tea gardens. The botanical gardens here have plants from all over the world. The botanical gardens here have plants from all over the world. The botanical gardens here have plants from all over the world. It's a cool weather paradise. At number 6, Ranthambore. This is one of the best places to see a tiger in the wild, with an ancient fort right inside the park. Seeing a tiger here is unforgettable. Seeing a tiger here is unforgettable. Kicking off the top 5 Badrinath and the Char Dham pilgrimage. These are some of the holiest Hindu shrines located high up in the Himalayas. The journey itself is an epic adventure, At number 4, Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of India. This is where 3 seas meet. You can watch the sunrise and sunset over the ocean from the same spot. It's incredible. Our bronze medal at number 3 is the Valley of Flowers. For a few months a year, this entire Himalayan valley explodes into a carpet of millions of colorful alpine flowers. It's unreal. Just unbelievable. The runner-up at number 2 is the Great Stupa at Sanchi. This is one of the oldest and one of the most important Buddhist monuments in India, built over 2,000 years ago by Emperor Ashoka. And the number 1 wonder of India is a combo cellular jail and Havelock Island. History, paradise. Learn the powerful story at the jail, then relax on the world's best beaches. And that's a wrap. 30 wonders in 8 minutes. Fast rewind montage, rapid flashes of many sights. We went from the highest mountains to the southernmost tip, from ancient history to modern marvels. I'm exhausted just thinking about it, but that was absolutely epic. India is just on another level, and we barely even scratched the surface. Every single one of these places is a life-changing experience waiting to happen. I really hope this got you excited to explore and see something new, because that's what this channel is all about, pushing you to have your own adventure. I poured everything into making this the fastest, most jam-packed India travel video on the internet, and I hope you guys loved it. Now, I have a challenge for you. Look at that list of 30 places we just flew through. Which one completely blew your mind or surprised you the most? I genuinely want to know what you think. Your comments help me figure out what crazy video to make next, so don't be shy. Let's get a huge discussion going in the comments section. Thanks for watching MK Titan Travel. Which wonder surprised you most? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more journeys. See you in the next video.